Hi everyone, welcome to Cocinando con los DeWitts. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious tuna salad, perfect for summer, that you can make with sandwiches, tuna salad sandwiches, or that you can have with some chips. It's so delicious. Okay, let's start. These are the ingredients that we're going to need to make our tuna salad sandwiches. And of course, we're going to need the bread for the sandwiches, any bread you like. I also like to have it with chips, so if you prefer chips, that's a good idea too. We're going to use 1 can of yellow sweet corn and 2 cans of tuna. These are the smaller cans. We're going to use some pickled jalapeños. If you like spicy, that's just extra. A pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, just to taste. We're going to use sour cream and mayo. And we're going to use 3 spoons of mayo and 3 spoons of sour cream. You use the same amount of mayo and the same amount of sour cream. And we're going to use half a lettuce, 1 cucumber, 3 celery stalks, and like 1/4 of a bunch of cilantro. And these are all the ingredients that we're going to need. Okay guys, we're going to start with the first step, which is just to shred the lettuce and chop the cucumber in little fine small squares, almost like mince, I guess. And the same with the celery and the same with the cilantro. We're just gonna chop everything in little pieces and little squares. Okay guys, I have all the ingredients ready. I chopped the cilantro, the celery, the cucumber, and the lettuce. Of course, you need to wash off, clean everything before you chop it. And it's ready. The cilantro, the cucumber, and the celery is gonna give it, the lettuce too, I guess, a delicious, fresh, refreshing taste to the tuna salad. So I have everything ready. Now I'm gonna start mixing all my ingredients. Okay guys, let's just start mixing all of our ingredients. I'm gonna add all of these, the celery, the cilantro, the lettuce, the cucumber, and then everything else. And we're just gonna start mixing them together. Okay, now we're gonna start adding the tuna. I already drained all the water from the tuna, so it doesn't have the water. It's tuna in water. That's the one I like. If you like the tuna in oil, you can use that, but I prefer to do it with the tuna in water. Okay, now we're gonna add the corn. And as we go, we're gonna keep mixing everything together. And now I'm gonna add some salt just to taste, just like a pinch, as much as you want, and some pepper. Again, as much as you want. Okay, I'm mixing the salt and the pepper, and now we're gonna add the sour cream and the mayo. We're gonna add 3 spoons of each. And if we need more, then we'll add more. Okay, I added 3 spoons of mayo and 3 spoons of sour cream, and now I'm gonna mix it super good with everything. Okay, I finished mixing it, and it looks like it's the perfect amount of sour cream and mayo. If you need more, remember you have to add the same amount. So if you add 1 more spoon of mayo, add 1 more spoon of sour cream. And this is gonna be delicious. Now I'm just gonna cover it, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge for around half an hour, so all the flavors of everything start mixing together, and so it's nice and cold when we make our sandwiches. Okay, the salad was in the fridge for around 30 to 45 minutes, and it's ready. It's delicious. It's nice and cold. All the flavors of the cilantro, onion, not onion, cilantro, celery, lettuce, the pepper and the salt integrated together, and it's ready. It smells so good and it's so refreshing, perfect for hot summer days. Okay, we're gonna start making our sandwich. Okay, so everything ready, it's ready. So the only thing that we need to do is start making our sandwiches, and just put as much as you want. I like it with a lot of the tuna salad. And let's finish getting this delicious sandwich ready. Okay, the sandwich is ready. I'm gonna add some of these pickled jalapeños that I like a lot. I love spicy, so you can skip them or you can add them to your sandwich, and it's so delicious. And our delicious sandwich is ready. The other way you can eat this or serve it is with chips, and let's get it ready. Okay, let's just get our salad ready, and this one is gonna go with chips. And it's ready. We have the tuna salad with chips and the sandwich that looks super delicious. Perfect for the hot summer. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to Cocinando con los Tiwits. Thank you.